Hey guys, Dale Thompson here, and I'm coming to you from my kitchen here. I'm sorry, my laptop is still or my desktop is still on the fritz, so unfortunately, no use to of the my HD camera. I'm stuck using the cam on the laptop, so I do apologize if it's a little grainy, but it is what I have to work with, and I did want to get this into your hands. First of all, I do want to thank you for spending a few minutes with me here. This is part of your training series on lead generation. And again, I really appreciate you guys. Without you, I could not do what I do, which is to share this information. So in this training, I was going to go ahead and just walk you through how to build a splash page and give you a resource in order to do that. Because guys, building your own pages is really a way to build your list quicker, because it's going to set you apart from everyone else. You know, the new person coming online, you know, they grab the affiliate link and away they go and they start promoting. Well, that's great, and a lot of companies, they do put out some pretty awesome pages, but after a while it gets stale, because that's what everybody does, and so people get desensitized to the message, and it no longer becomes effective. So one of the ways to continue to build your list at a phenomenal rate is to learn how to build splash pages. Not only learn how to build splash pages, but learn how to design them the correct way so that they will work for you and pull in the opt-ins that you're looking for. And there's a particular way that you want to do that. And so what I thought I'd do, rather than actually showing you a page being put together, is to first of all go over some of the things you want to consider, and then maybe send you out the training for the actual page tomorrow. This way I can give you a day or so. You'll either have the training on the actual page building either on Tuesday or Wednesday. But this way I figured it would give you some time to put together your thoughts so that when you go through this training, you'll have kind of an idea of the type of page that you want to create already down on Notepad. So, you know, you'll have an idea what your headline is going to be and what your secondary headline is going to be and what you're going to do your video about, and so on and so forth. So, and have that all completed before we go ahead and make the page. The other option I thought is I did want to start doing weekly trainings, live webinars here on Google Hangouts for you guys once a week, so we can meet and I can answer any questions and we can kind of share what's working and what's not working, to try to help you guys as best I can. So I thought another option would be to do that in a live training. Maybe what you may want to do is either go to our team page, which is, there's a link in the email that had the link for this training. There's a link in there for that you can go to and like the page and then be able to comment and put your thoughts as to what you feel is better, whether it would be better in a just for me to send out a training like this to you guys, or whether you think it would be more helpful to do it in a group setting, you know, on a actual live hangout, and that way I could help you and answer questions right then and there. So maybe you might want to do that. And like I said, I will put a link in the email that I send out to you that has this training for the team page, and you, like I said, you can go on Facebook and like it, and then put your thoughts there, and I will monitor that, and then make a decision on that and let you guys know, based on the consensus, what you feel is better. Okay, so that's the way we'll handle that. So tonight we'll just go over kind of the things you want to consider. And this is very, very important, guys, and you may want to take notes on this so that you can, when you're ready to put your page together, you can kind of think about this beforehand and have your ideas jotted down. So why don't we go ahead and go to screen share. And I'll pull up my notes here for you. And let me see if I can make this even a little bit bigger so you could see it. Let's go to font, and let's go to 48. So hopefully you'll be able to, whoops, that's a little too big. We'll scale it down a little bit, 48, 36. Let's go to 30. Okay, so hopefully you can see that. So the first thing you want to do in determining how you want to build your splash page, or what you want to, how you want to design it. So the first thing you want to do is think about whatever your product is, whether it be a tool, or whether it be a tangible product, or a weight loss product, or whatever it happens to be. So you want to determine who is it that would use your product. Okay, who is my target market? Who would be the people that would use this product or service that I have? Because that's very important, because then you want to tailor your lead capture page to that market. See, that's one of the things that people make a mistake, is they don't really target the page to their target market, so that it loses its oomph. You want to be, in order to get opt-ins and to build your list, in upwards of 100, 150 leads a day, you want to be putting the right message in front of the right group of people in order to get an opt-in. So the second thing that you want to determine is, what problems do they have? My target market, what problems do they have that they might be looking for answers to, or a solution? Because, guys, basically all we do, all I do in my business is basically answer questions and provide solutions. I provide value, just like I'm doing with you here. Hopefully you're finding this valuable and helping you be able to start getting some success with your list building. So we answer questions and we solve problems. So what problems do they have? And then, how does my product solve that problem? Okay, what benefits does my product offer that will be of interest to them, or create a willingness to put in their email address? Okay, so you want to look at, say, for example, if you are having a weight loss product, and say, for example, you're pushing a diet. So what you would want to do is, if your diet, say, for example, would be easy to follow, and the ingredients that they need in order to make the recipes on the diet are easy and inexpensive, so that it's not going to cost them an arm and a leg to go to go and find them in the market and buy them to be able to stay on that diet and lose the weight that they want to lose. Okay, so who's my target market? Then what problems do they have that they might be looking for solutions for? And then how does my product solve that problem? What benefits does it offer that solves a problem that they would have? And then that's what you want to build your splash page around, so that you're providing the right message to the right people at the right time to solve their issue or their problem. So guys, this is very, very important. I can't stress this enough, is that you really need to know who it is that you're targeting with your lead capture pages in order to get the best value. So with that being said, let me go back to okay. So again, I really appreciate all of you. I appreciate the time you spend here today. I really hope this is helpful to you guys. This is so important. I can't stress it enough. If you have questions, go on our page, put your questions in there. I'll be happy to help you. If you want to email me questions, my email address is Dale G. Thompson, that's D-A-L-E, middle initial G as in George, last name Thompson, Thomson, the number 1 at gmail.com. And just put in the subject, your name and that you're part of my list. And that way I'll be able to pick it out quick and be able to see what your question is and try to answer it the best way I can. If I can't answer it, I'll try to find out the answer and then get back to you. As always, you could try me at home. It's 856-428-9027. That's my home number. I'm generally out during the day, but I'm usually home after like 7. So you can give me a call and we can talk. So guys, again, thank you for being here. I appreciate your time. As I said, without you, I can't do what I enjoy doing, which is sharing this material with you and trying to help you reach your goals that you wish. And do go to our team page, put in your comments. Definitely let me know whether you'd rather me do a training like this to build the splash page, or whether you'd like to do it on a live webinar. Then based on that, we'll make a decision together on how that is going to go. Okay, so for now, guys, hope you have a great rest of your evening. Again, thank you. This is Dale Thompson. It's your home biz consultant, home biz coach, and bye for now.